Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to look at collections part 2. In this video you are going to learn about HashMap, HashSet and Q and DQ in a following video. The HashMap type is an abstract data type implemented as a generic class. A HashMap can be declared as shown towards the right. HashMap k, v, HashMap new HashMap k, v. This is a call for a constructor. Here k represents the HashMap's key type and v represents the HashMap's value type. Here the image towards the bottom of the code, the key is an integer and the value is a string in the HashMap. The HashMap stores data in key value pairs, as we have seen, and you can access them by an index, which is an integer. Common HashMap methods. Put is used to insert the value in associated to a key. So if key already exists, it replaces the previous value. Put if absent will only insert if there is no key already existing. Get returns the value associated with key. If key does not exist, it returns null. In the example 2, you can see map.get Bob. If there is no Bob in the map, it will return a null. Contains key returns true if the key exists, otherwise it returns false, and contains value returns true. At least one key is associated with the specified value, otherwise it returns a false. Let's see some more common methods. Remove key removes the map entry for a specified key if the key exists. Clear removes all the map entries, and key set returns a set containing all keys within the map. For example, if we use key set, then it will return all these keys together. Values returns a collection containing all values within the map. Hash set. The set interface defined within the Java collections framework. It defines a collection of unique elements. The set interface is present in java.util package and extends the collection interface. It's an interface that implements the mathematical set. So it's basically an abstraction of the mathematical representation of a set where you can only store unique values. The Java set interface allows us to perform basic mathematical set operations that you can perform on various sets such as union, intersection, and subset. Union to get the union of two sets, x and y, a and b, whichever you want to call. We can use x dot and all y. Intersection to get the intersection of two sets x and y. We can use x dot retain all. In subset to check if x is a subset of a y, which is basically y dot contains all x. HashSet class implements the set interface backed by hash table, which is actually a HashMap interface. So HashMap is internally used within the HashSet. HashSet can be declared as HashSet t, HashSet equal new HashSet, where t represents the HashSet's type, such as integer or string, Here's an example of HashSet. In the main, we are initializing own books, and then we are adding a tale of two cities and the Lord of Rings into the map, into the HashSet. I'm sorry for that. And then we'll try to print the contents. We'll try to check out the contents and then remove a lot of rings, and then again try to check what's in the map. You can just try and implement this code and see what this contents output will be for yourself. So once the onBooks dot remove is executed, the lot of rings will be removed from the asset.